Hi everybody, we are going to play the Fake It to Make It game today. I am hanging out in my basement. I'd love to hear about where you're playing today. So anyways, I'm going to walk you through step by step so you kind of know how to play this game and we'll go from there. Alright, so you're going to go to fakeittomakeitgame.com. Down here, you're just going to click Start a New Game. Alright. Let's pick somebody to be. It doesn't matter. I'm going to be this guy and choose a name. I'm going to be Adam. Oh. After you choose who you're going to be, you need to pick something to buy. Make sure it's nice and small. And then click Let's Go. Now here you're going to make sure that you read the directions. Basically, you're creating a news site by getting people to click on your advertisements to generate traffic. Now, the sites that you're going to be creating are totally fake. So, we just want to get people to click them. So, let's start. Now, your fake news articles will live on these fake sites. So, you first got to create your first site. And you got to have a credibility rating of at least 30 to get people to even create your site. So, pick a site name. You can make up your own, or you can just pick one. Sure. Nationwide Journal sounds good. Now I'm going to pick a logo. Pick anything you want. Now, you can get, now remember all your money is fake, but if you want to create your own hosting or have custom hosting, but remember you got to have 30 credibility to even start playing the game. So let's pick this one. Pick a theme. I'm going to pick the online voice. It's going to cost me some money, but remember, it's going to be all worth it. So, I'm going to click some ads. There we go. Review and submit. I'm going to create this site right here. Now, nice work. I got in. My credibility rating is at least 30. Now I need to add 2 articles to my site. And it says the easiest way to do this is to copy them from other sites. So we're going to select copy articles. Here we go. So copying articles. You can pick anything you want. Now, you can, basically you need to do is click around, learn about who your articles are to. Are they for the orange party or the purple party? And you can kind of pick what you want. Click through. You also want things that are going to be tagged in certain ways when you click them. So I'm going to just pick 2 random. Ooh, I'm going to pick this one. All right. So I'm going to copy these 2 articles. It's going to copy them for me, and basically we're walking through this whole step. All right, our articles have been copied. Now we got to get somebody to share our articles. So we got to plant an article to generate some shares. Okay, so this is the fun part. We get to start by adding, we need to plant some articles. So plant an article. Now what you need to do is you need to plant it where people are going to be able to see it. So which one are we going to plant? I'm going to pick the president goes on his most expensive vacation ever. Now I got to pick where I'm going to put that. Which side am I going to put it? Oh, I got to buy a profile. So I can buy a Jill Brigg, or I can buy Terrell Jordan. Now if you see Terrell Jordan, he's got an orange tag right here, and this has some orange tags too. So if I plant it on this one, now I could pick people that have got a lot of members. 4,000 members, 4352. I'm going to put it here. Now, let's see what happens. I'm going to plant this article and see what happens. We want people to read it. Now, the more people that see this article, the more money I'm going to be able to make. All right. So, I got some talk. So now what you want to make sure that you do is kind of play this game, walk through it. What your goal is right up here. I want to see if you can start earning some money. Okay, that is your goal for me today. Play the game. Play it for like 45 minutes. And I want to see how much money you're able to generate after following the game for a while. And then what we'll do is we will post and comment how much money that you're able to make. Even take a screenshot because you know your classmates aren't going to believe you. So let's have some fun generating some fake news. All right, have a good time, guys.